Healthy credit solution.
Is your credit on life support? Are your past choices preventing you from living the life you deserve in the present? If you thought all hope was lost, think again. You see, we firmly believe that everyone deserves a second chance, and there's no better time than now to repair your credit and get your life back on the right track. We adhere to professional, 100% legal global standards, intelligently repairing your credit so you can finally apply for a credit card and get approved. Find a job, co-sign for a loan, rent a property, keep your interest rates low, and ultimately supercharge your credit score. Our lawyers and experts are ready to turn your life around with the debt help and advice you've so desperately been searching for. So get in touch with us today and take your credit off and for all.
Healthy credit solution. Call us today, 888-292-2172.